So law, as I'm sure you know, we expect to see a lot of automation come into the more routine, contractual, repetitive aspects of law, information search as well. Robotics and informatics, machine learning approaches take away a lot of the human bias on information search and are quite effective within a certain constraint. But they often collapse pretty quickly when the context isn't set. The job of the lawyer is more about the really complex judgments, the hard to understand stuff, the deeper implications of what's going on. And I think we can point to this happening in just about all fields. So what we've seen with blockchain, for example, and cryptocurrencies and the smart contracting that was meant to be automated, as soon as those smart contracts failed in the Dow incident where there was a crash, and I don't know all the details, but pretty quickly lawyers were engaged because there were still people disagreeing with people about what happened, and lawyers had to resolve that. There isn't any feasible prospect for automating that. But working with the ombudsman around the world, I've recently seen one of the big ones in Europe is they have to deal with millions of cases of complaints about the financial services industry, and they're trying to automate a large number of those complaints. So it's actually a piece of artificial intelligence that is resolving the complaint based on the information you enter and what it knows, a rules-based procedure. And then if it's too hard, it goes into human judgment. I think done well, we want that to happen. Right? That takes a whole lot of time away from where we don't want it, so that the rules, the higher level policy concepts, the settings can get the brain power that we need from the legal profession. So people are still going to disagree with each other in the future. We're still going to need lawyers to do that, to resolve those disagreements. But the way we exercise their brain power is let's get the robots doing what they do best and then the lawyers doing what they do best.